Hello, I'm going to review Qmatics trading bot is legit or scam. So Qmatics is an automated trading bot developed by Qmatics LLC designed to facilitate algorithmic trading on platforms like Qmatics. It offers features such as customizable strategies, real-time market analysis, and user-friendly interface aimed at both novice and experienced traders. Pros: user-friendly interface suitable for traders of all levels, supports a variety of assets including cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities, provides a demo account for practice without financial risk, offers real-time market data and customizable alerts. Cons: lacks a stop-loss feature, increasing potential risk exposure. Withdrawal processes can be cumbersome, requiring extensive documentation and facing delays. Limited transparency regarding the company's background and regulatory status. So in conclusion, while Qmatics offers a range of features appealing to traders, concerns about its risk management tools, withdrawal processes, and transparency suggest that potential users should exercise caution. It's advisable to thoroughly research and consider these factors before engaging with the platform.